Hello everyone, welcome to my channel UV Tech Zone. So, before we start today's video, I just want to make you sure do not skip a single second from of this video. You can turn your speed over 2x, but do not skip because this is the doubt session video. I'm going to take all the doubts from all over LinkedIn, Discord, and comment section. If you go any video on my playlist, there are lots of comments regarding many things. Okay, so I'm going to take all the doubts today, and the most important thing, I just hit 100 subscribers today. I was in the college and I just opened my laptop and I saw like there was 99 people already subscribed, and I just take my phone and recorded that moment. Like I just waiting for that 101. Okay, so this is a after just within a 3-4 days, I got more than 100 subscribers. So I am very thankful to everyone. Keep supporting, and I will make you sure. I will help you with each and every single doubt regarding Microsoft Student Ambassador Program. Other than that, if you have any queries or anything else you want to ask about tech or something, so you can reach out to me over LinkedIn, or even you can comment down. Okay, so before any delay, let's start video. I don't know how long this video going to be because there are lots of doubt I have taken, and again I make a request from you all. Please turn on your speed, put it on to over 2x, but do not skip. Okay, so the very first thing, like people are asking how to make Azure accounts, how can we become an Azure account holder, there we are getting problem and all. So if I going to like stepwise creating account Azure right now, so it's going to be a problem. So what I suggest, I will make another video in which I am going to make a whole process for how you can create an account over Azure. Okay, so the very first thing I want to discuss, what are the basic criteria for Microsoft Student Ambassador Program. The first thing, be at least 18 years old at the time of registration. First thing. The second one, be enrolled full time in an accredited academic institution, example college or university. You must have to be enrolled in any college or university. Be an Azure student account holder. You must have to be a Azure account holder. I even asked to the moderator, and he told me like from this year, this onwards, this is going to be most important part. Like if you must have to be an Azure student account holder. After that, not be a previous registrant or ambassador removed by the program by Microsoft. If you are an ambassador in previous time and you has been removed by some problem or something by Microsoft, then you are not eligible for registering again, and not be a Microsoft employee or current contractor. So and the last one thing, you don't need to be a Microsoft employee. If you are in employee at Microsoft, you are not eligible for this thing. Okay, so let's start taking all the doubts from everywhere. So the very first thing, like I just found over Discord in the main server, like in Microsoft server, people are asking. I got email regarding the contributor ID. Now what next? I registered and I got contributor. What next? I have to do. I got mail with contribution ID. What to do next? Like people are still confusing. We got our contributor ID, and what to do next? There is some unique doubt, like can anyone will help, like basically he's asking, there is a I get only numbers in the my contributor ID. So you can add this thing like question mark w2 dot mc underscore id is equal to student amb, फिर आपका जो भी टोकन होगा, that's, so you can do that from going to the handbook and copy this thing from there. And there is a another thing, got this as my contributor ID on the mail, but the format is given in the handbook is different from the this use of this id and when we'll get the format id. So he or she is also asking the same, like this time we just got a 6 digit of numbers as a contributor id, different from the previous time. Okay, so you have to make sure you have to go to the handbook. I will just show you to the from handbook. Okay, so this is the handbook. Okay, now let me go to the, yeah, so you have to copy this, you have to copy this and you can make changes from here. Okay, so this is the thing, this is the first doubt from everyone. Now the second one, for Microsoft certification is paid, so what for ambassador to do now? Microsoft certification or Microsoft apply skills badges to eligible for onboarding should be earned in the last. What does it mean? So basically the first thing I want to this thing I already covered in the previous video, but here is a doubt session, so I am taking all the things. So in this you have to earn a Microsoft certification to become an ambassador. Like all the criteria you have to fulfill, like if you are going for the scalers, so you have to fulfill the criteria for 1000 net new modules. With that you have to earn a Microsoft certification, or you have to earn a Microsoft applied skills badge. Now if you are going with the Microsoft certification, this is paid. So there is an alternative option, that is Microsoft applied skills badge. This is totally free and you can go and earn. And what is the mean? Last 12 months only. For example, you are applying for the ambassador program this month, like that is October, November and December, and you are going to get an onboarding mail in January 2026. So what does exactly 12 months mean? If you already done this Microsoft applied skills badge in February, March 2025, so it is also applicable this time. So I guess you get clarity what is exactly 12 months mean. So for example, you have to be on that badge after 2020, January 2024. Okay, so that's the thing. Now next doubt. Last question I have. I got this in over my LinkedIn. I have, if I completed challenges like sharing 250 links, then how it track, or after completing, it is any time criteria or not to complete, and then how they select me. So he is asking if I just share like 250 links, how it tracks, or after completing. So here is the link given. I'm just going to show you that link particular. Okay, when you go to the, yeah, here is the preferred visitors list. Okay, when you click on this one and go to another tab, there you can find this. Right now there is a, the list is empty, the list is empty, the list is empty, but once you get the email, like you are going to get the email at Saturday, it is mentioned here whether you are going for influencer path or skiller path, you will get the email on Saturday. At the same time the progression board update on the Saturday itself, like this is the progression board and it will update on Saturday. So you have to wait for 2 days, like this, today is Thursday and Friday, then you will get updated here. Okay, so just go to the next out. Here, yes, I read this. I am asking which will be more easier to complete and how I get my certification. So if you are asking for the thing which path will be easier, so in my personal opinion, go with the skillers. That is more specific and safer side. But it's up to you. You can choose what you want. Okay. When someone click on the link is okay bro, we get a visitor. I'm right bro. So someone is asking over the LinkedIn, like when he is uh, choose I guess he choose a influencer path, and he's asking if someone click the link only, does he get a visitor pass, like it is count or not. So he's not going to count, like it's not it not specifically mentioned in the handbook whether you are going to get a count or not after just clicking the link. That's why I'm suggesting you like go with the skillers, but that is more specific and more accurate. You can count like, okay, I'm getting this number. The next doubt is, can we complete the 1000 modules by 7-8 accounts? It will be counted or not? It will be counted, but there are most probably chances your account will be count as red flag, or your registration will be declined by the Microsoft. What I already suggested in the trip and tricks video, you can go there and watch that full video. I just told you like at least complete 400 to 5 modules with the help of others, and the rest of the modules like 500 or 600 you can do with your multiple accounts, but not at the same day. Take some time, like complete 50 to 100 modules a day, then make some gap like 1 or 2 days, then on the another day make 100 modules. That's how you can do. If you are going to do all the things at a instant of time for 1 or 2 day within a 1 or 2 day, definitely maybe your account will be suspended and you have to do that again in the next quarter. Here is the same doubt, like, sir, I after completing the 1,000 modules I will get invited 1 or 2 days or after 3 or 4 months. Bro, I the second doubt is, bro, can I do 1,000 modules on my own by creating a milestone? uh, for the first one, like you are going to complete, when you once complete, like in this quarter in November and December, and okay, so you are going to get your onboarding mail in the January itself. And for the another doubt that he is asking, can we do all the 1,000 module by creating our milestone? No, I will not suggest that, because Microsoft already mentioned, clearly mentioned, you have to uh, engage with people. You have to share your links over LinkedIn, over Instagram, over Facebook. So you have to make engagement. If you are just going to do all the things by your own, that is might be possible your account will be suspended. You have to re-register again in the next quarter. For the next doubt, hi bro, in our college already one student have appointed as MLSA, so can I eligible for the campus or not? That MLSA tells only one MLSA for one campus. It's true. No, you can apply for that. There is nothing specific mentioned by the Microsoft that there is only one ambassador in the college. There can be multiple ambassadors and they can work together, like they can create a community and they can work together. So you can go for that. Okay, no worries. Then the next one, as you said in the your last YouTube video, can we jump directly to the assessment form of a module without doing next mandatory to fulfill the XP each portion? So please let me know if anyone jumps directly to the assessment. Okay, if they fail in the assessment, one module will count. No. Okay, so he's asking, like I told, I just showed how you can going to complete your module, like in the I guess in the comparison video, where you are going to choose the influencer path or the skillers path. Okay, so I showed how you are going to complete the module in the skillers path. So you are not going to just skip on the assessment part and just click on click all the answers and submit. No, you have to go all from all the steps, like you have to click on the next, then you are supposed to complete that, then you are going to get complete XP. Otherwise you are not going to that get that points. Okay, next one. Okay, if someone fail with the assessment, they have to do it again, because there are certain criteria. Sometimes you saw you have to complete the assessment with 100%, sometimes you have to complete the assessment with 75%, sometimes 50%. So you have to make sure what are the requirement, we have to fulfill that. For the next doubt, can we see switch our path midway? For example, if I start with the influencer path to observe for a week how they track referred visitors, and okay, and so can I complete both paths if I want? Okay, so Microsoft does not allow. You have to choose a particular path, whether influencer or skillers. Okay, I will not suggest to go with both the part, or take a trial. Might be possible you are going to like your account will be discontinued if strictly, I strictly not suggest go with the both part. But for the first doubt, if you want to check for the week, so yeah, you can try, but make sure to do it on your own risk. Okay, it might be possible your account will be suspended. Okay, I got my contributor ID, but I'm confused what to take, community skillers or community influencer. So what exactly you have to do in the skillers and influencer, how you are going to contribute, attach your contributor ID with the URLs links. Just go to the my playlist. I have already discussed, I guess in the second and the third and the fourth video, how you are going to merge your URL into the skillers path or the influencer path, whatever you are going to choose. Okay, so just go for that video. Next one, also when I remove the language in the link, like US English, and this then paste my contributor ID link and then press OK. So he's asking like when I'm going with the it I got this in over the LinkedIn. So he's asking I just put my contributor ID over the Skillers link URL. So there is nothing specific mention for the Skillers path. Okay, so this is the thing, US English, you have to remove this particular language from the influencer path, influencer URLs, but in the Skillers you don't need to remove that. You just keep it as usual. Okay, you don't need to remove that. So the next one, how to create a plan as you did a milestone in this plan. Bro, can you make a video how to complete module? Okay, I have already discussed in the path like skillers versus influencers, how to complete module, but I will make a specific video on that. And for the another one, how to create a plan as you did milestone in this plan. So you are asking for how to make a plan. You can I will suggest you just go to the handbook. I will, if I go to the handbook, let me show you. Okay, so this is the influencer pass. Okay, let me go to the another one. Okay, I'm just going here. Let me quick. So you can go guidance and on the Microsoft, how you can create plan with AI, you can create plan with a collection. So you have to make a collection first, and you have to then convert that collection into the plan. So if you want to do that, just go with this way. Okay, so next out, bro, please tell us to complete 250 visit engagement faster because it's a little big number. So it is a big number. I believe that it is a big number. So what do you, the only thing you can do in this, share as much as you can, like post multiple times over your LinkedIn, share with your friends over the Facebook, or all the open platform where you can do this kind of engagement. So please make a video for tips and tricks for selecting or do and don't for the MLSA ambassador. I already did that. You just go to my channel and check out like tips and tricks for 1000 net new models. Please make a video on how to select any one path, or when we start doing activities. Can I do both paths simultaneously, and which is okay? No. So I already make which path you are going to take. You just go there. I just make a comparison video also. I just make a completely full video how you can choose particular path and how you can attach your contributor ID with that particular link. And you can't do simultaneously both the path. You have to choose only one, either is skillers or either influencer. The next one, this contributor ID link needs less than 1 minute. So I already discussed this. There is a nothing specific time how much a particular visitor have to spend on that URL after clicking that URL. So I just suggest you, if you want, just go with the killers, or if you don't want to go with these killers, still still go with the influencer, but make sure cover as much more number you can. Okay, day after tomorrow is Saturday, so most probably you are going to get your your email how many preferred visitors clicked by your link or visited website by your link. So wait for 2 days. So the last one, I just found it like after making clear everything, like I just even make a video how you can convert, how can you make your plans. I'm talking about the skillers path. How can you make your plan? There is a specific thing, like you have, there is a, I'm just going to show you on the handbook. Give me a second. Okay, so where it is, let me go back here. Okay, so this is a skillers path, and here is strictly mentioned. Okay. You have to add your contribution ID, include your contributor ID at the end of the plan description. So you have to make sure you have to add your contributor ID in the description of the plan. But most of the people are I just screenshot from someone's link. He or she written in his learning plan, you will get to learn AI foundations with Microsoft Azure and Copilot from Excel. This is written in the description box, but this is very wrong. If you do that, definitely you're not going to get maybe your account will not be eligible. So you have to make sure, like, you have to do this thing, your contributor ID dash this thing. Okay, make sure to do that. The last one, personally, which path you are taking. So at my time, I personally taking the skillers path, and I suggest you can go with the skillers path because there is a thing, you can trust. Okay, I'm getting this number or that number. Hey bro, what will happen after completing this task of skillers or influencers? Okay, so once you complete your task within a period, given period of time, for example, if you are applied in last quarter, this is October and November, December, 3 months quarter. So you are going to get a contribution, like onboarding mail in this January itself, and in that when you click that onboarding, accept that onboarding mail, you are going to get a lots of perks and merchandise from Microsoft. You can go and check out the first video of my channel, like what exactly this Microsoft Ambassador program is and what are the benefits from this. I'm just suggest you go and watch that. Another one, I have a query. I have completed all the process using my personal mail ID. When I'm signing into Azure for a student, it's not accepting. Okay, so she's also asking for the Azure account. So I'm going to make a dedicated video for Azure account. How you can make an Azure account for the students. So just wait for the another video. And this is the, I guess this is the last query. So I just wish all the best with you all, and I wish all the doubts will be clear from it. So if you still have any doubt, just pins me there, okay? Like in the comment section and all. Okay, see you. If you like the video, please comment, do subscribe and like. Thank you.